Kasco's RGBW LED WaterGlow lighting systems are controlled with Wi-Fi or a push-button controller and add rich color to any evening display. Featuring 36 pre-programmed settings and DMX addressable fixtures, these kits provide a customizable, inspiring visual display. The RGBW LED WaterGlow kit is available for J-Series fountains, VFX fountains, and surface aerators in 2, 3, or 4 fixture kits. Here's how to assemble and use the lighting system to the fullest. What's in the box? RGBW LED WaterGlow light fixtures, push-button controller or touchscreen controller app control, stainless steel LED mounting bracket, quarter 20 by 1 3/8 inch screw, quarter-inch flat washer, quarter-inch lock washer, quarter 20 nut, quarter 20 by 3/4 inch screw, quarter 20 hex lock nut. Tools needed: 7/16 inch socket and driver, 7/16 inch combination wrench. Your first step will be attaching a mounting bracket to each fixture. To do this, you will need the provided quarter 20 by 3/4 inch screw and matching quarter-inch lock washer. Then use your 7/16 socket and driver with combination wrench and attach to each fixture. Level the bracket about 90 degrees and tighten until the bracket can stand on its own. Repeat this process for all fixtures. Note, fastening the fixture using the second hole in the bracket should yield the best results. In order to cool properly, the fixture needs to be partially submerged in water. Note that the water level when the unit is running will be different from when it is idle. The marking on the housing indicates the level the water should reach when the unit is running. Ideally, the water line will be above this mark but not submerge the fixture entirely, as shown here. Before you start attaching the fixtures to the float, please note the suggested configuration for 2, 3, or 4 fixtures. Now that you know your configuration, take the quarter 20 by 1 3/8 inch screw and place it through the mounting bracket and float. Then take your quarter-inch flat washer, quarter-inch lock washer, quarter-inch nut, and thread them onto the screw under the float, tightening until snug with your 7/16 socket and combination wrench. Repeat this process for the rest of the fixtures. Now take your control panel and mount it next to or near the unit's control panel. Kasco suggests that you have a professional install the electrical work for these lights. Instructions and schematics can be found in the manual or at kascomarine.com. How to use the touchscreen controller. First, ensure the color panel is on by using the power button located on the top of the panel. If you want the fountain display to be a color of your choosing, all you need to do is tap the desired color on the color wheel. You can also dial in the color wheel with more precise taps. You'll find a list of pre-programmed settings on the inside of the control panel door. To select one of these settings, first look for the first number listed next to the setting, and then tap the center button until the light is under the first number indicated. Then you tap the second number on the top of the board. For example, if you wanted the setting labeled Flame, which is setting 6-4, tap the center button until the light is blinking under the 6, then tap 4. You can also adjust the color saturation by clicking on the cloud icons on the bottom right. You can also access this control panel using the Acrolis app you can find in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app taps into the control panel's Wi-Fi signal, allowing you to adjust your lighting remotely. The app recreates the touchscreen panel and operates the same way. To connect your control panel, first ensure the app downloaded to your device but did not open. Then turn on your control panel. On your phone, search for Wi-Fi signals and find the one named Kasco RGBW, followed by the serial number of the unit. Click to connect. The password is 8 zeros, 0000 0000. Once you are successfully connected, open the Acrolis app and choose the CW4 controller. If the controller is not shown, swipe down to refresh the page or close the app and reopen it. Once you have clicked the CW4 controller app, press the Stick 5A image, and your lighting display controls are at your fingertips. LSTA button controller. The push-button controller has 5 modes that are accessible through the button with the gear symbol, located on the left side of the control panel. For now, let's start with the first 3. SA, standalone mode. This will be the mode you use to select a pre-programmed sequence. To choose a sequence from the control panel, click the gear button until you see SA for standalone mode. Then click the plus or minus button to cycle through the programs. When you reach the desired program number, press the check button. CO, color mode. This mode allows you to dial in practically any color you want. To dial in a color of your choice, click the gear button until you see CO displayed. Then use the plus or minus button until you find the exact color you want. Click the check mark button to set. PA, page mode. This mode allows you to jump through blocks of 8 colors or settings at a time. It might save you some time if you intend to choose a setting towards the end of the list, but you can always get there in standalone mode as well. The next 2 modes will help you stylize your display to your liking. SP, speed mode. This will change the speed of a selected pre-programmed sequence. Select SP on the display and then use the plus and minus buttons to fine-tune the sequence speed. DI, dimmer mode. This mode will brighten or dim the selected color. Note that 0 is the default setting and the truest color. Anything below 0 darkens the display, shutting off the lights completely at -9. Anything above 0 will brighten by adding more white light, effectively desaturating the colors as you increase the number. This control panel also comes with short-range remote control. Use the buttons labeled 1 through 10 to choose those scenes directly. You can also use the plus and minus buttons to adjust color or sequence. You can change the speed in dimmer or use the pause button to stop the sequence at a certain color. Come sunset, you're ready to enjoy the vibrant colors of your enhanced waterscape with these RGBW LED WaterGlow lights from Kasco. If you have any questions, please contact us at 715-262-4488 and the best customer experience team in the business will be there to assist. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.